Welcome everyone, welcome to Clarity for Sure Schemes in News series. So today we are again here with a new scheme and a new set of questions. So before starting the session, let's deal with the question. The question is, and the paragraph is, Ramesh, a 36-year-old auto driver from a rural district, wishes to secure a stable income for his old age. He recently heard about the Atal Pension Yojana from his bank manager. So the manager informed him that under Atal Pension Yojana, Ramesh can start contributing now and get a guaranteed monthly pension after the age of 60. So based on his contribution and the age of joining, Ramesh plans to opt for 3000 monthly pension. Since he is not an income taxpayer and don't fall under any other statutory social security scheme, he wants to know if the government can contribute to his account as well or not. So he also inquires about the scheme's handle early exists and whether his wife can get the pension in his absence or not, and who administers the Atal Pension Yojana. You can also take a screenshot of this paragraph. Coming to the question number 1, what is the minimum contribution required for Ramesh to receive the guaranteed pension under the Atal Pension Yojana? You are having 5 options. Go through the questions and the options carefully, then comment your answers in the comment section. Question number 2 is, if Ramesh wishes to opt for 3000 pension per month, what factors will determine his monthly contribution amount? You are having the option. Go through the options thoroughly and then comment your answers. Coming to the next question, who administers the Atal Pension Yojana and ensures its implementation under the National Pension System architecture? You are having 5 options: LIC, EPFO, PFRDA, RBI and Niti Aayog. Coming to the next question, suppose Ramesh passes away after turning 60. Which of the following would apply under Atal Pension Yojana? So go through the question and the paragraph very thoroughly, then comment all of your answers in the comment section. Coming to today's session, pension is not a luxury, it's a requirement for every person, especially for those who are working in the unorganized or informal sector. So that is basically what Atal Pension Yojana is trying to achieve. So in today's session, we are going to break down every important points to be pondered as per your exam perspective about Atal Pension Yojana. Let's start. So the Atal Pension Yojana is being recently in news as it is a social security scheme by the government of India, and it is launched by the PFRDA, and it has achieved a significant milestone by crossing 8 crore total gross enrollments with an addition of 39 lakh new subscribers in the current financial year 2025 and 26. So this milestone comes to achieve the celebration of its 10th anniversary since its launch from 9th of May 2015 under the Ministry of Finance. So the Atal Pension Yojana was being launched in 9th of May 2015 under the Ministry of Finance. Let's know more about this scheme. As I told you, the launch date of the scheme 9th May 2015, and this scheme was being operational from 1st of June 2015, which basically aims to address the longevity risk and the lack of retirement security in India's or to the people who are working in the unorganized sector of the society. And this Atal Pension Yojana scheme is being designed to encourage the voluntarily saving for retirement by providing them defined pension benefits which are linked to the age of joining and the contribution amount made by the subscriber itself. And this scheme basically targets the poor and underprivileged workers in the informal sector of the society, and in recent time it has become India's most inclusive and accessible financial assistance scheme, which is providing financial assistance to the people who are working in the informal sector of the society. As of April 2025, the Atal Pension Yojana have accumulated over 7.65 crore subscriber with a corpus of 45,974.67 crore. And it has also seen seeing a increased participation from the women's, with a comprise of about 48% of the subscriber are women till date. And you can also see in the graph the rising number in the contribution and the rising subscriber of the Atal Pension Yojana since 2019, March 2019, it was just 1.54 crore, and how it has increased to 7.65 crore till April 2025. So let's deal with the salient features of Atal Pension Yojana about the target group, the defined pension benefits, the contribution periods, and the administering body of the Atal Pension Yojana. Let's deal first with the target groups of Atal Pension Yojana. So the workers in the unorganized sector without a formal pension coverage are the basic target group of Atal Pension Yojana between the age of 18 to 40 years. Coming to the defined pension benefit, so the fixed monthly pension at the age of 60 will be starting at the Atal Pension Yojana, and the options for pension start from 1,000 to lies between 1,000 to 5,000, and the contribution period and its calculation. So the minimum contribution period requirement is 20 years. And the contribution amount also depends on the age of joining of the subscriber. And who is the administering body of Atal Pension Yojana? The administering body is PFRDA under the National Pension System. So I hope you must have also got an answer about the contribution period, that the minimum contribution period is 20 years. So let's learn the key points in fingers. The basic aim of Atal Pension Yojana is to provide definite pension to all, and the amount of pension is chosen by the subscriber itself, and the minimum guaranteed pension lies between 1,000 to 5,000. Note down one important thing, that after the death of both subscriber and the spouse, the pension and the corpus amount will be given to the nominee, will be returned to the nominee, and upon the death of the subscriber, the spouse can also claim the pension, and the flexible payment option, monthly, quarterly or half yearly it is. Let's deal with the eligibility criteria in detail. What is the age, monthly contribution and minimum contribution period required under the Atal Pension Yojana? As I told you, the age required under the Atal Pension Yojana is 18 to 40 years, and to receive a fixed monthly pension between 1,000 to 5,000 under the Atal Pension Yojana, the subscriber must contribute rupees 42 to 210 per month if the joining age of the subscriber is 18 years, and rupees 291 to 1,454 per month if the joining age of the subscriber is 40 years, and the minimum contribution period is required is 20 years or more than 20 years. And the income tax status. So from 1st of October 2022, the income tax payers are not eligible under the Atal Pension scheme. So let's deal with the benefits of the subscriber. What the benefits the subscriber of Atal Pension Yojana are getting about the guaranteed monthly pension, family pension provisions and the tax benefit. So about guaranteed monthly pension, lifelong pension is being provided between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees starting from the age of 60 until death, and the family pension provision, that in case of death of the subscriber or the spouse receives the pension or the nominee gets the corpus amount. And the contribution under the Atal Pension Yojana, they qualify for the deduction of tax under the section 80 of Income Tax Act. So what is the joint awareness efforts made by the government and the PFRDA so that the scheme is being implemented in its full-fledged manner? So PFRDA has taken several initiatives to promote the Atal Pension Yojana by generating outreach program conducted in different states and districts, by the awareness and training programs which are being organized regularly, and the regular performance is being received are conducted to the monitored progress. Then online channels are being activated to include Atal Pension Yojana, net banking and many more, and the Atal Pension Yojana help desk and the chat board are providing a very good assistant to the subscriber under the Atal Pension Yojana. Then the QR codes are used for the user services, transactional services and many more. So these are some of the initiatives which are being taken by the PFRD and the government to initiate the Atal Pension Yojana in a very full-fledged manner. So the Atal Pension Yojana have crossed 8 crore enrollments in this financial year 2025 and 26, with 10 years of ensuring the financial assistance to and security in India with guaranteed monthly pensions. And the new subscriber in this year, 39 lakh new subscribers have joined this year. So I hope you must have understood about the Atal Pension Yojana in detail. That's all for today. Subscribe our Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and get updated about every regulatory body examination. Thank you. That's all for today.